In the new Maestro, we've redesigned and modernized the appearance and behavior of the main window and made several improvements to the core visualization tools to make Maestro simpler and easier to use. Let's take a quick tour. The first thing you'll notice is the new Simplified selection toolbar. There are familiar controls for selecting workspace objects, including new shortcuts for predefined structures and controls for modifying existing selections. And once selections are made, performing actions such as fitting, applying new styles or presets, or making chemical modifications via the new 3D Builder can be applied without having to re-pick atoms for each action. This select first behavior is intuitive and allows complex appearance changes to be made quickly and easily. The new Maestro introduces a structure hierarchy, where selections can also be made on a per structure basis, and where each structure in the tree conveniently has a styling toolbox, as well as a visibility toggle. And over here, the search field can be used to instantly find and filter down structures for easy selection. The new status bar shows comprehensive status information on workspace structures, while over to the right, a series of workspace configuration toggles allows one to temporarily mute auxiliary objects such as labels, measurements, surfaces, ribbons, and interactions. Also here is the workspace configuration panel, which consolidates all of the options for customizing the layout of the main window, such as showing the sequence viewer or the new 2D overlay. Within the 3D workspace, predictive highlighting provides responsive feedback on atoms to be selected, while direct workspace interactions include right-click controls to access options specific to objects like ribbons and surfaces. Also in the new Maestro is the introduction of banners. Notification banners report on the success or failure of background processes such as imports and jobs, and if appropriate, will include links to common next steps, while mode banners are associated with actions and typically include instructions or prompts. Finally, the new Task tool centralizes all tasks, tools, and application panels within the one menu. Here, you can browse the Task tool divided into task or application category, or type in a keyword in the search field. Previously open panels will appear in the Recents list, and any item can be favored to allow one-click easy access from the main window. These are just a few of the main features in the new Maestro. For more in-depth information, please visit schrodinger.com/Maestro11, where you can also provide feedback, or send questions and comments to help@schrodinger.com.